Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you very healthy jowar, that is sorghum flour roti. It is a very healthy millet which should be included in our menu. Many people feel it is very difficult to prepare this jowar roti as it cracks if some precautions are not taken. So today I'm going to show you a very easy method with tips and tricks for making a perfect jowar roti at home. So if you like my video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So let's get started. First, boil 1 glass of water. Add salt to taste. Let the water come to nice boil. Then add 1 glass of java flour, that is sorghum flour. After pouring the whole java flour, that is sorghum flour, keep the flame low and stir it nicely. Now switch off the flame and close the lid and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer it to a mixing bowl. Wet your hands and knead it nicely. Pour little water and knead so that there are no lumps. The dough will be little hot, so knead it to a semi-soft dough, neither too loose nor too stiff. Making a soft dough is very crucial for making crack-free rotis, so this step is very important. Have some patience to knead it for 4 to 5 minutes. After kneading it to a soft dough, cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Take some java flour for dusting and a base for rolling. Now from the dough, take a portion of it and cover the rest of the dough so that it doesn't dry out. Now knead the dough portion in between your hands again. Press it in between hands and roll it in the flour. Sprinkle some flour on the base. Place the dough portion on the top of it and start spreading it with your hands along the ends initially. Then take a roller and roll it along the ends. So start rolling it gently. Also remember to shake it from the base so that it doesn't stick to the base. Roll it as much as you can. So I am rolling until it reaches the end of the base. If the roti sticks to the base, sprinkle some flour on the base and roll it again. Initially, if you wish, you can practice it by taking small portion of the dough and rolling it to a small roti. So once you are confident enough, you can make a bigger roti. Now the roti is ready to be fried. See that it is movable from the bottom. Take a plate, place on the top of the roti, flip it and slip the roti on a hot tawa. Take a cloth or thick tissue paper, dip it in water and then spread over the top of the roti. When the water is absorbed on the top, flip and fry. So press it along the ends and fry both sides. As you can see, when pressed, it nicely puffs up. When fried nicely from both the sides, take it out. You can serve it with any curry. I am serving it with chow chow koot. Let me show you how soft it is from inside. So you too make this healthy roti and share your comments. And if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe for more yummy videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. So let's meet again with a new recipe. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.